perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. Always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want.
Hi guys, and welcome to yet another one by yours truly. If you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Zamobuhle Gratitude Chabangu. I am on Instagram, you guys, and I go by the name being_gratitude. I hope you like what you see and join my beautiful family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, my love, for returning. I really appreciate your love and support. Hey loves, it is a Saturday, a very boiling Saturday, might I add. It is a Saturday. I just finished taking a bath and we are stepping out. I'm going to macro. With the way this heat has been frying us with the way this heat has been frying us, you guys, we have decided we need to buy an industrial fan. And that is what we will be doing today. We are going to Nelspruit. I'm gonna check for it at Macro. I think I saw it there. I just hope I find it in stock. And then if I don't get it at Macro, we are gonna check at Builder's Warehouse. So yeah, that is what is going on, you guys. And then after that, maybe I might do a little bit of shopping. I don't know. We will see, because Kiashisa and angathi ukuthi ngilokhona yini kuhamba ngena etitolo kushisa kangaka. But nonetheless, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are hydrating wherever you are. So yeah, let us chat, guys, when I get to Nelspruit.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, bury my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would know
sorry. It's 6:13 and I am on my way to Nelspruit. Ngimisa imoto ku service. Woke up at 5. The plan was for me to leave the house at 5:30, but then but I am on my way, you guys, and there'll be a lot of roaming around. I am not prepared for what's about to happen today, but nonetheless I hope you guys are good this morning. It is morning on my side, so I hope you guys are good. Let us chat more. I can't be vlogging and driving at the same time. Excuse a change in quality. I am using a front camera. I'm using a front camera. Go rough, guys, so I need to see myself. Yeah. So let us chat again.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better.
Hey guys, I am now at Woolies, and can you believe it? I am coming here for the 3rd time now, and it's only today that I was able to get this product. Apparently ihlale is sold out, and this is only 240, of which I range are the same with the one layer clicks, the one that I always use. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, let us go and pay you guys, and we will chat some more a bit later.
Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby,
Morning, guys. It is morning on my side. Hey loves, it is a Thursday, and on today's agenda I will be doing my nails. I've got an appointment at Woolies. I'm gonna do a pedi and a mini, and I am taking you guys with me. I hope and believe that you guys are also enjoying this vlog. Please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you are. It does a lot to help the channel grow. If you are not subscribed, please kindly press the subscribe button to join my beautiful family. And another thing, please do not skip the ads, you guys. Your girl needs some coins. Let us chat a bit later. Hey loves, I am back from doing my nails, you guys, and I just wanted to come on here and show you the style that I did this time around. I went with this fringe, love it low. I went with this fringe with a touch of red nyana because we are entering your festive. Christmas is around the corner, and as you have seen again on my toes, it is plain red. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut off this video here. It might be too long because I'm trying to participate go vlogmas, and this is going to be my episode 1. I'm just trying to decide which uploading in my Mondays and Fridays or Mondays and Thursdays. I will decide, and if I do decide, I'm gonna write it down for you guys with communication post here on YouTube and on my Instagram, so that you guys know when to check for a new upload. So if you have made it this far, thank you so much, my love, for watching up to the end. I really appreciate your love and support, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.